Hello and happy Halloween! Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Dee Malfi and today I'm making for you a delicious Halloween chocolate vegan cupcake. You want a little baking flour, cocoa powder, I'm using unsweetened, baking soda for a leavening agent, a touch of sea salt. Now for the wet ingredients, really simple. You're gonna take your favorite plant milk and turn it into buttermilk with a little apple cider vinegar, unsweetened applesauce flavor, a little added sweetness with coconut sugar, a flavor agent like vanilla extract or almond extract or orange extract would work, and then a wee bit of coconut oil for added moisture. Bake them in the oven. When they come out, they are fluffy, moist, chocolatey, and ready to be mummies. Take a look at these chocolate vegan cupcakes. These are so adorable, right? And super easy to make. I hope you like this recipe and happy Halloween. Peace.